Welcome to Sessions Health Tutorials. Hello, fellow therapists. I'm Ian, a practicing psychotherapist, and I use Sessions Health each day in my own private practice. In this tutorial, we're going to look at prepaying for a session. Sometimes clients want to pay for sessions before the system allows a bill to be generated. So let's look at this example where someone has a session this upcoming Friday. They want to pay for it today and it's only Sunday. Well, we can't generate a bill yet from this session, but what we can do is go to this client and click on the billing tab. And now we can see we can create a new bill from this pending area. And what we can do is click add product, and we could say prepay. And let's say that their session is going to cost them $50. And so we're just going to add this. We can click save. And now we can accept their payment. Let's just say they probably paid with a credit card. We're just going to put cash. So now we see they've paid $50 in advance. And so what we want to do, since this was added on a bill as a product, we actually want to set this as a credit on their account. So to do that, we just go back to billing, settings tab, and now that payment that they just made, we can add it as a credit to their account. So now when this session comes due, we can generate the bill and just apply the credit to that. I'm going to show you how to do that just by moving the session to here. $50 is what the session is going to be. And so now, because we applied that credit, when their session arrives and we generate the bill, we can see here they have that $50 credit because they prepaid, and we can just apply it directly to that bill and click save, and it's paid in full. That concludes the prepayment tutorial. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@sessionshealth.com.